Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet C20, price $8,800, one family-owned truck with 74,000 original miles, powered by a 350 V8 paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. This gasoline pickup delivers classic performance with smooth drivability. It features a rare doeskin tan exterior over a midnight black interior, all in impressive original condition. The body is straight with zero rust-through, and the original paint remains in very good shape. Upgrades include an Edelbrock 1406 Performer carburetor with electronic choke, Edelbrock intake manifold and valve covers, Hooker 4-into-1 headers with true dual exhaust and Flowmaster mufflers, an upgraded pulley system, and a new water pump. Recent maintenance includes brakes, wheel bearings, and a full tune-up. The bed is rhino-lined, and it comes equipped with a Kurt hitch and towing wiring. Number 2. 1991 Dodge D150, price $7,800, with 135,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a V8 engine with 2WD. This long bed regular cab truck features a red exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck has power windows and power door locks, and both the air conditioning and heating systems work great. The previous owner had it since 2006, kept it garage stored, and primarily used it for commuting. The glove box is full of maintenance receipts, reflecting consistent upkeep over the years. While the vehicle runs and drives well and shifts smoothly through all gears, it does show some typical wear for its age. The radio does not work, the windshield wipers are currently inoperative, and the driver's side window does not roll down. There are also a few minor oil leaks, which is to be expected for a vehicle of this vintage. Number 3. 1979 Ford F250, price $8,200, 2WD pickup powered by a durable 300 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The engine has been replaced, and the truck has recently been gone through to ensure it is road-ready and dependable. It starts easily, runs strong, and drives smoothly, tracking straight at highway speeds of 70 miles per hour without issue. The odometer currently shows 181,000 miles, and the title is marked "Mileage exceeds mechanical limits," which is common for vehicles of this era. Finished in red with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered F250 presents as a solid and honest classic truck. The body remains structurally sound, reflecting its reputation for toughness and longevity. While it does have some dings and dents consistent with age and regular use, it remains a super solid example overall. Number 4. 2002 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800, powered by a 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 108,000 miles on the odometer and runs and drives great. Finished in blue with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck has been well maintained and is ready to go. The vehicle features 4-wheel drive capability, making it suitable for both work and everyday use. It has received many new parts, including aftermarket LED headlights and taillights, new Silverado takeoff wheels, new brakes and shocks, and a new alternator. Mechanically, the truck needs nothing and is reported to be in strong running condition. There is some rust on the passenger side rocker panel and minor bubbling beginning on the driver's side bedside. The truck carries a rebuilt title due to a previous rear-end accident. The damage has been professionally repaired, and the title is in hand. Number 5. 1997 Ford Ranger, price $3,500, equipped with a 4.0-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a classic and engaging driving experience. This gasoline-powered truck has 270,000 miles on the odometer and continues to run strong, demonstrating its durability and proper maintenance over the years. It features a red exterior complemented by a tan interior. In addition to its dependable performance, this Ranger has received several recent updates. It comes with brand new tires, a new exhaust system, and new brakes, ensuring it is road-ready and safe to drive. The air conditioning system works properly, providing comfort in warmer weather. It has also been upgraded with LED headlights and taillights, improving both visibility and overall style. Number 6. 1993 Dodge D250, price $6,000, well-maintained full-size pickup powered by a 5.2L 318 Magnum V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 259,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. Finished in white with a red interior, this truck also features an 8-foot bed, power windows and locks, cruise control, and fully functional air conditioning that blows cold along with strong heating. This truck runs and drives great with no known mechanical issues. The transmission was rebuilt approximately a year and a half ago, and the brakes, including all brake components, have been recently replaced. The tires are less than a year old, and many additional components have been replaced over time, reflecting consistent maintenance. The dashboard remains in excellent condition, adding to the truck's overall appeal. Number 7. 1994 Ford F250, price $6,000, well-maintained example equipped with a factory IDI turbo diesel engine. This truck comes with a clean title and has traveled only 121,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, a white exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on diesel fuel. The truck starts up easily, runs strong, and drives smoothly. Its 4x4 system functions properly as intended. It is also equipped with power windows, cruise control, and rear airbags for added support and utility. While the body is beginning to show some rust, the vehicle remains solid overall. The air conditioning system is currently not working, and the driver's side window requires minor assistance when being rolled up. Aside from these noted issues, everything else operates as it should. Number 8. 1994 Ford F250, price $5,000. It has 179,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior paired with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. Mechanically, the truck is reported to be in excellent condition with no major issues. The 4x4 system functions properly, with both 4 high and 4 low operating as intended. It comes with a clean title, and the stereo system is fully functional. Powered by a strong and reliable 5.7L V8 small block Chevy 350 engine, this truck delivers dependable performance and solid capability. Cosmetically, as a 32-year-old vehicle, it shows typical signs of age, including paint damage, dents, scratches, and some interior wear. Known issues include a small exhaust leak, and while the emergency brake works, it needs to be manually retracted. Number 9. 1994 Ford F250, price $4,500, equipped with a 6-cylinder gasoline engine and a manual transmission, paired with a 2-wheel drive system. It has 223,000 miles on the odometer and features a tan exterior complemented by a matching tan interior. This truck is reported to run well and remains mechanically solid. The manual transmission shifts as it should, and the engine performs reliably, making it a practical option for daily driving or light-duty work. As expected for a vehicle of its age, it does show minor surface rust, but nothing beyond typical cosmetic wear. Overall, it presents itself as a sturdy and honest truck that has been used but continues to deliver dependable performance, with its straightforward configuration and solid running condition. Number 10. 1997 Ford F150, price $2,500, shows 139,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in silver with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck offers a clean and classic appearance inside and out. In addition to its key features, the truck comes equipped with a snowplow mount, a hitch already installed for towing, and a protective bedliner to preserve the condition of the truck bed. These additions make it especially practical for hauling, towing, or job site tasks. The heat blower works properly, although the air conditioning currently blows ice-cold air. The odometer displays 139,000 miles, however, it is not functioning correctly, so the exact mileage cannot be guaranteed. The engine does have an occasional miss, but overall the truck remains a solid, usable vehicle with plenty of utility and potential.